Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make $500 per month or more as a passive income. This method works worldwide. You can apply it to any other countries, and also it requires minimum investment as a $10. Yes, you need to have at least $10 to start this method, but you can make money as a passive income. In this video I'm going to walk you through the entire stuff, so watch the video until the end. If you watch the one till the end, there's a big giveaway in this video, so watch the video until the end. Before that I make videos on make money online, saving money tutorials and educational videos. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. And if you watch the video until the end, you can win up to a big giveaway in this video. So watch the video until the end and leave a like and a comment if you like this video, guys. So first thing, you're gonna use a Fiverr and a social media in order to make money. Fiverr, you are not selling on Fiverr. You're gonna buy something on Fiverr for £8 if you are living in UK, but in outside that is $10. So you can get that $10 by doing surveys. You can see this is the survey I did today, and I already earned £7, but I just spent only 10 to 20 minutes on that. Now I started by showing this Fiverr guy is selling around 150,000 videos, not 150,000, not 150,000, 1,500 cooking videos, short videos. This average length of the video is between 30 seconds to 1 minute, and he is selling around 1,500 cooking videos, ebooks and articles, images for £8.30. At the same time, he's selling 2,000 yoga videos, image and PLR articles for £8.30, $10. So this is your initial investment. So what is this? Why you need this video? Because when you want to grow big on social media, that too should be TikTok, Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, you need to have a content. So this is the majority of time people fail because they can't create a content, because they get bored, they get tired, they are not creating a good content. That's why they quit this social media game in the early stage. But if you have a content, you can upload it back and you can grow the page. I am actually trying one of those things. I'm gonna walk you through the entire step. So I bought it 1,500 cooking video from this guy. All right, that's why I'm sharing here. So 1,500 cooking video. Now what I did, I just created a YouTube channel and I upload those videos to here. But as you can see here, I upload around 5 videos because each video is between 30 to 1 minute. So I combined 5 of those videos to make average video length is from 4 to 5 minutes. But most of the video I uploaded on YouTube already has a copyright claim. So the reason is this person go to websites, different website, cooking websites, download those videos. Also they go to the YouTube channels, they upload short videos about cookings. They download those videos and sell it to you, but on their sales page already they describe that it's only for social media use. That include TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, Twitter, whatever, not YouTube. Because if you upload those to YouTube, then eventually you're gonna get copyright claim, not copyright strike, copyright claim. Still, if you want to grow your YouTube page, you can upload those videos here and you can earn money in different ways, or you can create your own contents in the middle and you can eligible monetization if you are qualified for that in the future. But the way I am planning to make $500 per month is by using the social media. So what I did is I created a page on Instagram that you can see. This is the page actually created today, and I have 7 videos already uploaded. That I only upload 2 people, but I already have 3 followers. I didn't just do anything. I just upload this video, put 30 hashtags on it. That's it, and I already get that follow. So now what I have to do is grow this page. But if we upload this content every single day, so 5 to 6 upload per day on TikTok, on Instagram, Facebook, eventually that you can grow the page successfully. In TikTok you can grow faster than Instagram because they are trending over there. But if certain countries like India, TikTok is not available, so you can use other social media apps like Reels or something like that. You can still upload these videos there and grow the page and put up a link. So when it comes to making money, its main source is from affiliate marketing. Second, sell your merch. Third, and it's depend on the niche they are promoting, because if the cooking, I can't, there's a limit, but if there's a fitness or yoga, then you can promote a ClickBank products and you can still earn money. The reason I'm going to show you how you can apply this to a different product. If you watch the video until the end, I will explain in a minute, guys. So you can see here on Amazon that you can, if you want, you can promote, say for example, cooking books, right? So if I type that, the average price of a cooking box is between 15 to 20 bucks, right? Now its offers going on around 15 to 20 bucks. So if we say 15 bucks, so for affiliate commissions, you're gonna earn $5 or 5% for each book that you are selling. Whatever the book that you are selling, you're gonna earn only 5% commission. For example, if you sell in a book, if you put the affiliate link there and people go and buy a book that worth around $15, you only earn 75 cents as your commission. So in order to make a $500 per month, you need to have at least more than 600 sales per month, which is impossible to do. But if you, on the other hand, if you promote an affiliate offers that give you a 20% commission, for example, this is the website, I put the link there, is for 5 cooking affiliate program. Because my product is cooking, I'm going with that. But if you watch the video until the end, there's a different product that you can promote. Different videos are available on Fiverr. I will explain it, guys. So that you can see these different offers, these 5 offers are paid between 15 to 25% of commission. So for example, if I earn a 20% commission per sales, again, if I sell a $15 worth of item from any of these websites and I get 20% commission, that is on $3, guys. So I need to have at least 160 to 170 orders in order to get $500 as a commission every single month. This is only one way. There's another way that you can sell your own merch. Because of the cooking, I can't sell the merch there, but if you have fitness or yoga, then you can sell your own merch there. And you can find the ClickBank product, the high ticket product, like the product is paying you 70 bucks or 100 bucks, or even the product that pay you $20 per sales, that you only have need 5 sales to make 100. So if you times by, if you want to make a $500 per month, so you need to have around 25 sales in order to make that happen. So all we need to have is a social media following. So you can get these followers only way organically, because you can't just buy followers, because those followers won't be converted into paying customers. So you need to get your own organic followers. You can get it by uploading a good quality content. This is why the Fiverr method is coming. You don't have to create a content. You can just download these contents, buy those contents, upload it there, and you can still make money by getting followers and convert them into customers. So if we go to Fiverr and type short videos or 1000 videos, something like that, you can see this person selling 1000 fitness videos, this person selling 1000 short animal videos, this person selling fitness videos. You can see here, and this person fitness, and this person is selling around HD motivation video course. You can see here, and there's a yoga video. So if you go to my guy here, that this person selling 2000 yoga videos. So for example, if you buy in a gig from Fiverr that with around 1500 videos, right? If you upload 5 videos per day, that you already have 250 days worth of content in your folder that you can upload it to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Dailymotion if you want, Twitter or LinkedIn. It require 1 hour of your work every single day, guys. And if you have automated softwares, you don't have to do anything. 1 day work that you can earn a passive income. Again, this method will work, but I'm trying it myself, and again, it needs your time and patience and your hard work, also little investment. Most of the business needed to put money. So if you want to make money, you need to put money. So there's a different business that you can make money without investing anything, but again, this method only require to invest $10. That you can get that $10 by doing a surveys. If you answer 5-6 surveys, each surveys pay you $1, you can get that money, guys. So this is simple, but think outside the box and try this method. If not, don't worry, I come up with a different method in the future. So what is this giveaway? If this video get 1000 views within 48 hours, so I will this video published on Sunday, so within Tuesday, if this video get 1000 views, I will give away this 1500 video cooking videos to one lucky winner. So all you have to do is, if you watch the video until the end, you know the giveaway method. You like this video, leave a comment, I like this video. So after 48 hours, if this video get 1000 views, I will announce the winner on the community section, and I will give away this 1500 cooking videos, ebook, article, entire files, and there's a zip file so they can download it, everything here. So all you have to do is, now if you watch the video until the end, leave a like, leave a comment, and hopefully you are the lucky winner, guys. See you in next videos. Until that, have a good day, and thanks guys for watching my video.